Assalamualaikum dear students, this is Shazia Amir. Today we are going to learn about how to add the citation into the Word document using Mendeley software. First of all, you choose the blank document. Here we have see the references. Click on the references. Here we show that already we have inserted the references of Mendeley software, that is insert citation, and Mendeley is already added into as a reference into this module. So how these will be done? We click on this. First of all, open the Mendeley software. Okay, this is Mendeley is desktop environment. Here we have number of documents added of this research. So how to add the desktop Mendeley desktop into the Word document? Go through this. Click on this. Click on the tools. Okay, here we see that options of install the web importer and uninstall. MS Word plugins. So this is already installed. You want to see this. Check the options that already installed in this. You can view the citations, library, and other styles. I choose IEEE. You can choose different styles. You can also add the files into this. So I will add file later, but you have to must install MS Word plugin. I have already installed MS plugin. This is MS plugin which is installed into. So it is simple. You just only click on tools, then go through the install MS Word plugin. Then it will be automatically installed, but you have must be network connection. After that, you have how to add the citation or insert citation into the table. It's simply, if you have add the article that want to referenced, so go through the first insert citation and go to the Mendeley, then add the articles. For suppose we have downloaded the article, that article name is this, and it will be added into the document. Here this is documents. So after that successfully adding the document, we have go through the again insert citation and go to, then click on this and click on the citation. Then citation will be automatically added. This is IEEE. You can also change the citation, but I want to show this paper will be as a reference. Click over here. So insert click on the insert bibliography. The reference has been automatically added. So it will be added into the page of the link. Now this we will see this. If we want to add the specific references that I like to rephrasing it or adding into my own words. So go through the articles that I have added. Click on the Mendeley. Click on this to show the article. Here we have showed the articles. So for suppose for reading I want to like this that that line that the current research study shows the criteria the researcher restored the educational design of this model, accumulated the taste and perform noted to care of this. Then I copy this and rephrase into my own words. Copy it and paste it. Then want to rephrase this word into my own words. The researcher reported as used technology design model to accumulate the taste and performance note card to temperature to measure and pre or post application for two experimental study. Now I want to show this how to rephrase it. First of all, go through write this to rephrase these words into own words. That this research rephrase you go to and rewrite its synonym. I want to replace this word that this researcher explored that to use educational design model is most useful for this. Then full stop. Now you can add useful to measure the performance of application. Okay, then remaining will be deleted because we write this in own words. Okay, so this is rephrasing. We add the reference, this reference into this document. Okay, so this is another example how to add the another page. We simply go through the reference, click insert and go to Mendeley and then add into this. Automatically will be added. If you want to see that this is I use IEEE, you can use another type of MLA, PLA. These are style of adding the reference. Okay, you can change in as you want. This is simply to add the references or citation into the document, Word document, simply using Mendeley software. Thank you very much. You have any question, you can contact through my email address.